Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to update software version for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i. You have to start by open HUAWEI Life application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds and then scroll down. Right here at the right side we have update, tap at this line. And now we check for updates and it said that we haven't the latest version. Now you need to put your earbuds to the charging case. And then tap download and install. Now I'm going to speed up it for you and then I will show you successful update. And then click OK. Now we need to check. Is it update? So did we have connection? Okay, yeah, we have it. So we need to check again. And yes, we have the latest version. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.